Hi, good day and welcome to Cebuano News.
Miss Cebu is one of the highlights of the annual Sinulog Festival. The pageant began in 1983 and aims to showcase the total beauty with the holistic personality of the Cebuana. This platform has been utilized to promote Cebu City's tourism. The Tourism Commission also emphasized the role of Miss Cebu as an inspiration and role model to young individuals and to the Cebuanos. Miss Cebu 2023 is Kefaiah Al-Zair, 19 years of age and native from Sabanga, Cebu. This was the answer of Kefaiah Al-Zair, 19, that helped her capture the title of Miss Cebu 2023 at Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, where she bested other 11 candidates. It was in response to the question, what is the single important tourism asset of Cebu City and how do you think it should be used to promote the city to potential tourists?
Cebu City is a home of endless possibilities. Not only do we have modern infrastructures, but we can also offer serene highlands and building relationships. It is the people. The people are the highlight of Cebu because it is the foundation of the tourism aspect that we have here in Cebu. Imbued with gratification and happiness, this is who we are as a Cebuano. This is the foundation of Cebu, the Cebuanos. Thank you.
Candidate number 8, ladies and gentlemen, show your support. Thank you very much.
Miss Cebu! Miss Cebu 2023 first runner-up is
Sino siya?
candidate number 12, and Miss Cebu 2023 is candidate number 8, Kefaiah Al-Zair. Ciudad sa Subo, your new Miss Cebu 2023 is Kefaiah Al-Zair.
To all of our board of judges and tabulators, daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much for sharing your time and expertise.
To the Cebu City officials headed by Mayor Michael Rama and Vice Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia, with our city councilors, department heads, and the Cebu City Tourism Commissioners chaired by Honorable Joy Pisquera, Sangguniang Panglusod Committee on Tourism Chair Councilor Dondon Hontiveros, Miss Cebu 2023 Chair Commissioner Philip Rodriguez, with Co-Chair Commissioner.
Aside from the coveted title, Al-Zair also bagged several special awards, including Best in Evening Gown, Best in Hinablin, Miss Packer Charity, and Miss Oro Galleria. Congratulations once again, Kefaiah Al-Zair, your Miss Cebu 2023.